Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Now, this is massive, folks. So, if you are interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR, just like this one. And it shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. And the second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Grab it, and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. When you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And in the process, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is a crucial thing. It's recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Sounds good, eh? So you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. So with this product, you get these 5 free bonuses. Now, in a nutshell, with the Empowerment and Decision-Making Academy, you can guide your audience with ready-made decision-making training. And this short video resource is for personal development coaches and anyone online who's in the training business. Now, there are a lot of things that you should know about this product. You have 84 done-for-you short videos in 4 different areas: the power of storytelling, the power of time, the power of trust, and the power of saying yes. And you have 84 editable presentation slides along with those. And you have 84 sets of pro voiceovers, all in each of those areas. You also have 84 turnkey pre-sale video pages and 4 training academies, as I mentioned, the power of storytelling, the power of time, the power of trust, and the power of saying yes. And you get 4 lead capture pages. Now here's a sample of the videos. Now, as I mentioned, all these videos are really read out loud. And what you're receiving here is just the printed word. And the next video goes like this. So, remember, all the videos are read out loud. Now, there are several other examples on the website that will show you samples of videos. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. It starts at $11.95 and goes to $14.99, and depending on when you jump in. And the upsell number 1 is $39.95 and goes up to $97. The upsell number 2 is $11.92 and goes to $14.99. Sounds like a good deal there. And upsell number 3 is $39.95 and goes up to $97. And that also depends on what the upsell 3 is all about. And upsell number 4 is $97 to $247. Now watch for the downsells, because you'll save some money but get less of the product. Now remember though, this offer will be removed from Warrior Plus after the 5 days launch period. So, and the launch period is from Monday, the 26th of February at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to Saturday, the 2nd of March at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you need to act if you want to get in with these prices. So if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. I cannot recommend this more and highly enough. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. How to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. How to gain reoccurring income online easily. And how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product just like this one. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and seriously consider this product, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.